Mostly young people are being recorded as HIV-positive cases. As of October 31st, 2022, 25 new cases of HIV have been recorded in Grenada. 6 of the new cases are amongst persons under the age of 24 years. John L. Benjamin, Program Coordinator for the Infectious Disease Unit in the Ministry of Health, says a lack of education poses the biggest challenge.
Our education is limited, especially amongst our youth, our youthful population. Education surrounding healthy sexual practices, knowing what risky behaviors are, sexual and reproductive health, and also sexually transmitted diseases. All right, we are missing our information to our most vulnerable population, or one of our vulnerable population, which is our younger generation. We are not getting to them adequately in order to provide those information to them. Yeah, we have our numbers is always in the 20s. We would fluctuate between 24, 25, sometimes we go all the way to 28, and we might come back down this time to 24 again. So 25 new cases as of the end of October is usually the regular number that we normally have, right? Not that it's a good thing, but I'm just saying it's not that it's an increase in cases. It's just indicating that compared to previous years, our numbers are remaining somewhat constant.
Benjamin says sexually transmitted diseases among young people has been on the rise. She notes that there are presently 444 registered cases within the clinics. The numbers, she adds, will fluctuate from time to time. The program coordinator says the ministry is playing their part. However, other stakeholders are encouraged to get on board as they are now placing emphasis on education.
And I can safely say that our treatment and care program is going relatively well. We are up to date with all of our services, our the recommended medications and treatment regimens for clients. We are up to date with that. And when I say up to date, I mean at the WHO standard. We are there. So now that that is said, we're now moving our focus onto other things. And the COVID pandemic has taught us a lot. Prior to that, we have been seeing lessons learned. However, at this time, now that treatment is strong, we are now moving to our other, for lack of a better word, I would say weaker areas that have been lacking focus. So education is now our focus.
The theme for this year's World AIDS Day is Equalize. Simply put, it means reducing stigma and discrimination around HIV. There have not been any deaths from HIV, she says, in recent years. World AIDS Day was first launched in 1988. The goal is to totally eradicate AIDS by the year 2030. In order to close the gap and disparities that limit HIV testing, prevention, and access to care, this day also serves as a call to action for people to bond together globally. Christelina John, GBN News.